Hello students, after watching today's video, you will able to work in HTML from your mobile and try to solve the biggest problem, that is, sir, I want to learn HTML but I don't have computer. In this video, I will explain step by step to work in HTML on mobile. So watch the video carefully. To work on HTML, we need two basic software, text editor and web browser. Text editor. To install text editor, go to Google Play Store and search Notepad. I am taking this software or app, whatever you want to say, because it looks like a notepad in a computer. You can take any text editor from Google Play Store. Install it and then open Notepad. Now Notepad is open and you can see that it is divided into two parts, that is menu bar and a text area, just like Notepad in your computer. Start writing the sample code, that is HTML, then head. In title tag, write my.com. If you want to learn HTML tag and its attribute, do subscribe my channel. I'll create a separate video to learn the basics of HTML on the basis of your syllabus. And in the basic tag, write my first mobile based web page. After completing all the tags, finally check all the opening tags and the closing tags and then save the file with the extension .html in document folder. You can store in any folder as per your wish. Second thing, check for your web browser. Do you have a web browser in your mobile? If yes, that's very good. If not, please do install it from Google Play Store. I prefer Google Chrome. Now open an app named as File. If you are unable to find, please download it from Google Play Store. If you want, I can give you the link. And locate the document folder. Same folder where you have saved the .html file. Click on it. It will give you an option of multiple apps to open the file, but you have to click on appropriate web browser to open HTML file. Now you can see that the file is open and all the text which we have written on a notepad is coming on the web browser. Let's modify HTML tag and see it's working or not. Type header tag, that is h1, and type the word mobile and then close the tag with an angular bracket and /. follow the same steps. That is, step 1, save the file with .html. Step 2, open the folder app, that is file folder app. Step 3, click on the file to preview the file on a web browser. I'm sure you have understood how to work on HTML in the mobile. Now you have understood that for working on HTML we don't need computers. We can work on mobiles. Now start trying to create web pages. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and share the video to your friends.